I'm Neelam Mathur, about 71 years of age. I had a fall in my house 2 months ago, and I fell down and had an injury. We contacted the Narayana Hospital. So I was diagnosed with the neck of femur fracture, and then we consulted Dr. Monu Singh, and he advised us that I was supposed to have a partial hip injury.
She fell at her place at her residence. She injured her hip and she came to us in a lot of pain. She was received in the casualty. Once we did all the investigations and once we worked her up, we found that she had injured her hip. She had broken her hip in a very bad manner and her mobility was completely restricted. One needed to operate upon her so that she could stand and walk, and we decided to do a hip replacement for her, a surgery which is one would say a major surgery, but there was no other option for us to make her stand and walk. The entire bit of problem and the treatment was discussed with the patient and we performed the surgery. Now, doing a hip replacement is a fairly routine kind of surgery for most of the orthopedic surgeons. But here, there were certain special considerations. The patient was generally, was a very independent patient who had to work on her own, who had to manage things on her own. She needed to be up and about and move around as quickly as possible without much of support. So we decided to go in for a minimal invasive surgery for her, and a surgical approach was chosen where the tissues were not really cut but just divided, and we were able to reach the joint and we were able to replace the joint in a very efficient manner without disturbing much of the anatomy, much of the muscles around it. And the result was that the patient was up and about and walking without any problems within 2 days of the surgery.
I had the surgery, which was very scary because I've been a very nervous patient. In the beginning I am generally nervous having an injection, but the surgery was very comfortable. Dr. Singh was very understanding. The support staff was very good. They took good care of me, and I spent about 5-6 days over there, and I came out. Then my recovery was very consistent, very smooth, and I was on a walker the next day, and I was given exercises, physiotherapy, and minor help that the hospital took. The doctor thought it was proper for me to take, and I was very happy with the all the arrangements that were made for me. I was walking on the stick. It's about 2 months now, and today I am walking without a support and both on my feet without a problem, and I'm very happy with the staff. That whenever I have talked to my doctor, he has been very cooperative. Even when a small pain was occurring, I was calling him, and never did he miss my call, or never did he ignore whatever problem I had.
The patient is now completely mobile, very active. She's able to do all her work. She's able to do all the household work, kitchen work. She's a teacher by profession. She goes around and she's taking care of her profession as well. She is very happy. She is very mobile, and she, in a sense, a result that we have been able to achieve what we had sought out for.
Most nervous patient like me can talk like this. I think the other patients should be more comfortable, when they are strong enough to bear all this. And so I'm happy with my stay and my experience, even after reaching home, and even after getting to know about the problem that I had. But I felt it was very going to be difficult. Not 2 months, it might take me 6 months, but the doctors assured me, and which I in the beginning did not believe. But to tell you frankly, I was able to recover. I'm able to recover. I'm walking on my feet today, and I'm here to speak to all of you.
One Friday evening when my mother fell down at home, we were really worried what's going to happen. And then the doctor said it was a fracture. Thanks very much to the Narayana team, especially in the dark COVID times when we were very scared what will happen with the surgery. Will we get corona infected as well? Thank you very much, Narayana team, for ensuring a safe, hygienic and very, very efficient treatment for her.
My humble suggestion to anyone who comes across this situation would be that whenever you have, if ever you have a problem like this, or any breakage or any pain or any fall or any emergency, please go to your nearest hospital and contact your doctors, and as per their advice, please go through the treatment, and because that would facilitate your earliest recovery and in a most professional way. So please don't feel scared about anything, and just contact the nearest hospital and you get the best of professional treatment.